Which animal can hold its breath for up to 7 hours underwater? A. Crocodile. B. Sea turtle. C. Dolphin. D. Sharks. Correct answer is B. Sea turtle. The next question is, what is the only part of the body that cannot heal itself? A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Teeth. D. Skin. Correct answer is C. Teeth. The next question is, which fruit works as a natural painkiller for periods? A. Papaya. B. Guava. C. Apple. D. Pineapple. Correct answer is A. Papaya. The next question is, which vitamin boosts sperm production in males? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin B. D. Vitamin A. Correct answer is B. Vitamin C. The next question is, which animal's milk is said to be closest to human breast milk? A. Cow. B. Donkey. C. Camel. D. Goat. Correct answer is B. Donkey. The next question is, which daily drink helps reduce vaginal infections naturally? A. Buttermilk. B. Coffee. C. Soda. D. Coconut water. Correct answer is A. Buttermilk. The next question is, which bird sleeps while flying long distances? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Albatross. D. Crow. Correct answer is C. Albatross. The next question is, which human organ can detect 1 trillion smells? A. Brain. B. Nose. C. Tongue. D. Skin. Correct answer is B. Nose. The next question is, which natural food can help reduce erection problems in men? A. Onion. B. Watermelon. C. Lemon. D. Carrot. Correct answer is B. Watermelon. The next question is, which vegetable helps prevent breast cancer in women? A. Broccoli. B. Pumpkin. C. Tomato. D. Cabbage. Correct answer is A. Broccoli. The next question is, which part of the body continues to grow even after death? A. Hair. B. Skin. C. Nails. D. Bones. Correct answer is C. Nails. The next question is, which fruit increases sperm count and motility? A. Mango. B. Banana. C. Orange. D. Pineapple. Correct answer is B. Banana. The next question is, which natural drink helps regulate irregular periods in women? A. Sugarcane juice. B. Buttermilk. C. Papaya juice. D. Lemon juice. Correct answer is C. Papaya juice. The next question is, which animal has no vocal cords and cannot make any sound? A. Giraffe. B. Elephant. C. Rabbit. D. Panda. Correct answer is A. Giraffe. The next question is, which common kitchen spice improves sexual health in both genders? A. Cinnamon. B. Turmeric. C. Ginger. D. Cumin. Correct answer is A. Cinnamon. The next question is, what is the largest internal organ in the human body? A. Brain. B. Liver. C. Intestine. D. Lungs. Correct answer is B. Liver. The next question is, which vegetable helps fight prostate problems in men? A. Broccoli. B. Onion. C. Beetroot. D. Cauliflower. Correct answer is A. Broccoli. The next question is, which food helps naturally cleanse the stomach? A. Yogurt. B. Coconut water. C. Cucumber. D. Coffee. Correct answer is C. Cucumber. The next question is, which bird can fly backward? A. Eagle. B. Hummingbird. C. Parrot. D. Owl. Correct answer is B. Hummingbird. The next question is, which vitamin helps reduce dryness in private parts for women? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer is C. Vitamin A. The next question is, how many colors are there in a rainbow? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Correct answer is B. 7. The next question is, which metal is used in making electric wires? A. Iron. B. Gold. C. Copper. D. Aluminium. Correct answer is C. Copper. The next question is, which fruit is rich in vitamin C? A. Apple. B. Banana. C. Orange. D. Mango. Correct answer is C. Orange. The next question is, which continent is called the Dark Continent? A. Asia. B. Europe. C. Africa. D. Australia. Correct answer is C. Africa. The next question is, which state is known as the land of 5 rivers? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Rajasthan. D. Assam. Correct answer is A. Punjab.